Have you ever wished you could spot trend reversals before they happen with real statistical logic behind your entries? Well, today you're going to learn exactly how to do that using one of the most overlooked but incredibly effective indicators on TradingView. It's called the rolling Z-score trend by QuantAlgo, and it's not your average trend or momentum tool. This indicator helps you identify when price is statistically overbought or oversold, and more importantly, when that trend is about to flip. If you're tired of relying on lagging indicators or guessing at entries, this is one tool you'll definitely want in your trading setup. Let's start with the buy setup. First, wait for the Z-score line to drop below to -2. This tells us that price is unusually low compared to its recent behavior, meaning it could be oversold. Next, wait for the line to reverse direction and start climbing. Then, once the Z-score crosses above the zero line, you're almost there. If the candle closes while the Z-score is above zero, that's your confirmation. Take the buy entry at the candle close. You've just caught a bounce from an oversold level with confirmation that momentum is turning upward. Now let's flip it for a sell setup. Watch for the Z-score to rise above 2, indicating price may be overbought. Wait for it to peak and start dropping. Then, once it crosses below the zero line, check the current candle. If it closes with the Z-score below 0, that's your cue to take a sell entry. It's a clean reversal signal, catching a high point just as the market starts to turn. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're looking at gold on the 15-minute chart. The Z-score drops to -2. That's your signal to pay attention. It starts rising, crosses the zero line, and the candle closes with the Z-score above 0. That's your buy. Now here's a little bonus. The indicator also gives you colored background bars to help confirm momentum. Green bars mean upward Z-score momentum, extra confirmation for buys. Red bars mean downward Z-score momentum, good for confirming sell signals. If you're seeing a zero cross and the momentum bar agrees with the direction, that setup becomes even stronger. Avoid using this in very choppy sideways markets. Wait for clean directional moves and use the zero line cross for confirmation. Always make sure to enter on the candle close, not just when the Z-score crosses mid-bar. It's clean, it's logical, and it works across any asset or time frame. Backtest on your favorite pair, and then try it on a demo account before trading your real money, and you'll see how it can become a powerful addition to your trading toolkit. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.